Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to cancel Canva Pro subscription. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. So open your Canva app as you can see right here on the screen, and then at the top right corner here you can see your profile name and your avatar. Click on it, and then we're going to scroll down to where we have settings. You can see settings right here. We're going to click on it, and then on the left side panel you can scroll down to where you have billing and plans. Click on it. Now right here you can see billing and plans, and underneath it you can see subscriptions for your team. It's currently on personal, but we don't have a subscription yet on this account. Now what you need to do in your own account which you're trying to cancel your subscription is to come over here, and then it's going to show you the current subscription you're on. There will be 3 dots here where you need to click on it, and then you have the option to cancel subscription. When you do that, there will be a confirmation pop-up page where you'll need to confirm your decision. When you do this, your Canva Pro subscription will be cancelled. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.